are being withdrawn. Well, they'd already been put into cold storage, and now they are being completely withdrawn. Now the elements that wanted to burn the country down by using the farm laws as a lever have nothing to burn India over. Nothing. No excuse to riot. No reason to block your roads. No opportunity to tie up with the Maoist terrorists. No chance to support and take support from Pakistanis and Khalistanis. No way to desecrate the Red Fort. No justification to bring down the tricolour on Republic Day at the Red Fort. No reason to politicize this or to use this for the UP and Punjab elections. And most importantly, my dear viewers, those who wanted to so desperately burn the country, they are so frustrated tonight. Because as of now at least, they have no real excuse anymore to turn Indian against Indian and burn the houses of fellow Indians and block the roads of fellow Indians. Ladies and gentlemen, think tonight. What will happen to all those who calibrated and planned and thought this whole thing over for over 1 year just to make Punjab burn and UP burn before the state elections using the farm laws issue? That was the entire plan. That was the game plan. The end game was the Punjab and UP elections. What are they going to do now? They were really planning and expecting the violence to peak before the elections. So on the basis of that artificial polarization, they could swoop a vote bank. That was the whole plan. Now, what will they do now? What will the toolkit gang do now? They who called Rihanna at a random Khalistani as India's best well-wishers. They who made Sarjeel Imam the poster boy for farmers. What will they do now? Those who broke the toll plazas, those who assaulted our women police officers, what will they do now? Those who destroyed 1,500 telecom towers in Punjab alone, what will they do now? Those who said that take your swords and hold siege using the sword to the Indian Parliament. And those who chopped off the hands of a 35-year-old man and placed his cut hands next to his bleeding body and hung him up Taliban style just because he came close to where they were protesting, what will they do now? What will they do? And in the answer to all these questions, ladies and gentlemen, is the reason the Prime Minister has withdrawn the farm laws. The message is nation first. Farm laws can wait. But exposing those and isolating those who use the farm laws to try and tear our country apart cannot. It should not, ladies and gentlemen. That's debate number one tonight.